Hi, Shaylin at WTI, and I want to show you why I love this shower head and faucet.
This is the Delta Arvo 14 series single handle faucet and dual handheld shower head with hose, and this is in matte black. This is a great set. We used it in a new build for my elderly parents. It's a walk-in shower, so it's got a great option for them to be able to use as a stand-in shower, or they can just flip the little nozzle, as you can see here, and it will go to just the handheld option, which is great for them when they need to use a shower chair. So that I love, and it has 4 powerful spray options coming out of that handheld hose. They are able to use a body massaging or just a full body spray, and there's even a pause so that the water is not just running needlessly. And I also love that it has a built-in pressure balance valve so that it has a protection from sudden temperature changes. Love to know that they are not going to get scalded by super hot water, and they have the ease of just putting it back in place. It's kind of got it like a magnetic catch, so it's easy in and out. Just overall, it's a great design, and we've been very happy with it.
So if you're building, remodeling, or you're even just wanting to change out your faucet, I would highly recommend this Delta dual shower head and faucet system, and that's my point of view.